Yes, I get. You have to be very gently and gripping very strongly. Grabs. So yes. Avoid loose hands. If you mm, lose, use loose hand, it will slip from your hand. Put some pressure and make some equal size. Yeah, yes, this one here and this one. Little bit more better shape. Yes, yes. Yeah. Look, this structure. Okay. You can see a little more. Now again I will do some next step. I will change some position of the wire. You can see, be carefully. You can see this step very carefully so you can slip, don't worry. See this step very carefully so you can understand what I'm doing. Yes. Now you can see on the nose plus I put here some pressure and make back side. Yes, you can see I make this L shape and this a little bit different shape and make it some equal balance. Yes, yes, I need this set. I will also again use this one. We'll put some pressure here and downside because I do this one. Now I will change some position of this one. I will use my hands. You can also use tools and hand. If you feel comfortable by hand, you can use hands. And I second. Yes, because look at now you can see clearly. Yes, I put some pressure and now you understand what I have done. I have both these wires make nearest and then this is like a shape like a nose shape, like a nasals, two nasals and like a nose shape. Okay, complete. Our basic structure is now complete. Basic structure of this ring. Now I will use this plastic or you can say bakelite slender shape tool and slowly gently bend around the whole structure around it. I think you can see. Now put back. Now you can see the structure. I think you will understand what I'm doing. Now we have to see what the size and it is a little bit big. I want 18 size. You can this 18 size. I can put my finger here and now I will use this one. We put very strongly thumb here and push the wire outside, both wires. What will this will do? This will equal my size 18. Now it will become 18 size. I will make some loose 18 sizes here and I will make it a little bit big because when I add beads this will become small size and my ring will equal to 18 size, perfect size. Okay, that's fine. I think you understand what I'm saying. Now I will take this and starting beating. You can see here there's a different colors. Mostly are 6-0 size. 60 size. We say that seed beads basically. Now I have some here plastic beads and crystal beads. I start with first plastic bead and add all beads, then end bead should be plastic bead. I will tell you why I do this at the next step. Different color, I add different colors. You can see white, transparent, navy blue, anything like peach, green, white, any what you like to add. You can make your own collection, or you can add what you like. I like this, so I am adding this beads. You can add happy face, heartbeat, and this type of beads. What you like. You can see here is a leaf. I can also add a leaf, but I will not add a leaf. I like these different beads. Golden, transparent, red, green, dark green, different color. I have different colors here. Peach, and I will push this downside. You can see this one here. You can see here. I'm adding. I have some space left also. Adding more. Yes, this color. Yes, this color, red. This one also. I think I have complete my all circle. See carefully. Outside. Then the all two rounds, two circles. Near two circle, you can see clearly what I'm doing. I'm empty some area, and the last I will add. Now I will add the last bead. As I said before, I will first and last should be plastic bead. The next step I will tell you why I add first and last and plastic beads. You can see now it is time to use flat nose plier, small size one. You can see I grab here. You can see what I'm doing. See carefully. This one by hand or by tool. You can use any option as you feel comfort. Yeah, this like this up outside 90 angle. You can see what I'm doing. I leave some space here, and puff here. Now I want to cut extra piece. I will use this one and little from here. I will cut it. Yes, fine. Now again I will use small flat nose plier. Sorry. This one, and you can understand what I'm doing. I make a loop and like a hook and enter from in this hole, the first hole. Yes, you can see this is what I'm doing. Now I need double nose plier, flat double nose plier, and see careful what I'm doing. I'm making a hook loop and closure. Now I need this teethed flat nose plier and put some pressure here and by this way. Yes, and I also use this bended nose plier. Put some pressure. You can see what I do. Yes, I make. You can see. I will think I will make some narrow point. You can see here. I make. You can see my one side is completed. Now I will same this side. I will complete. First side, one side complete. Now second side. First we add beads, plastic. We first and last plastic bead. One. White, red, golden. Navy blue. Yes, very beautiful color. Peach. I'm just adding green. No, yes, turquoise color. Push it back. I have almost half space left. I will add some beads, more beads. Transparent. I like transparent. Red. Good. Transparent. Bluish. Glittery bluish. No, this is not. Peach. No, peach. White. Push back, push back, push back. I have a little space more, some space. Only 3 beads left space. I will like to add red, white, and last white. And the last one is plastic bead, small plastic bead. You can see here, beads is completed. Now I will again use small flat nose plier, strongly grab here, and by the using of this tool I will make upside shape, L shape. You can see I will cut extra piece. Yes, I think it's a little bit long, so yes, I put this. Now I will by using this one, little bend downside and try to enter the second hole. This, yes, I have entered it. Now I make a loop by using this round nose. You can see here. Yes. Oh yes. Yeah, completed. Teeth. Putting some pressure and seeing nothing is no sharp space. Now I will, by the help of this, I will. You can see this upside. I will make it a little downside so it will make a good shape. Because, yes. Now you can see it is a little bit bend spade, bend structure. Now I will use this hard metal ring shaper, or you can say ring sizer, or reshaping the ring. Yes, you can see here. Now again, I think you have understand what I'm doing. Oh yes, putting little varnish. Yes, now my ring is in a correct shape. I will see what size this one is. This is sorry, this turn in 17, less than 17 size. It will make little small, no problem. This next time I will make a little bit big structure for this. I think this will make complete right. Yes, fine. Thank you and good luck.